time is all screwed up. I just had to put this in here. I'm like, what? Am I in a time zone? So apparently the time went back last night and I didn't know it. Because my stove is saying 7:10 and my clock is saying 7:10, but my phone is saying 6:10. So, anywho, I thought it was 6 something, but no, yeah, it is 6 something because the time did go back. I love it because we get more time to sleep. All right, enjoy this video. Later, y'all. I soak my dish rags, my dish mat, and my dry rags for my dishes, and I let it sit usually for 24 hours. So that's what's in that bucket. So I wanted to put this in here, and I'm getting ready to pop all these out. I have put some boiling hot water in them to get and release the wax. That's the easy way to do it if you want to create your own wax melts and not waste the wax from candles that you love that still had some good scents to them. So that's what I do. Getting low on the DIY power wash. I'm going to make some more. You guys are going to watch me. I'm sorry, I bagged the others up. I'm only keeping 2 of them. I just don't like to toss them, so I take them to like the Rescue Mission thrift store, and I just put a little bit of this on there to make it easier for all of the rest of the goop to come off. But I want to use these for my overnight oats, and I did find out that this glass is okay to do that. It doesn't have lead or anything in it, so yeah. And that way I can use these because I'm using my other jars. So that's what I did that for. And I don't know, I love to recycle everything possible. So I cleaned them as much as I can so people could see the potential in them at the rescue mission, and probably use them for like cotton balls and whatever they might need them for. Hopefully they only sell them for like 50 cents or something like that. So yeah, these are the 2 I'm gonna keep. Going to be, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm getting ready to get on the computer and edit it right now so you guys can get it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, talk to me in the comments. I talk back. Later, Gators.